Hello friends! Welcome to our channel, Indo-Kabayan Lifestyle. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, sa aking mga kababayan at ang aking mga kaibigan dito sa India. To my friends here in India, Namaste! Today I am going to show you how to make homemade apple cider vinegar, or what we call here in India, Sirka. So friends, we need 3 ingredients. Very easy to make apple cider vinegar. We have apples, we have sugarcane molasses, and plain water. It is distilled one. It's very easy. Before making our, our apple smoothie, actually we can use the peelings. Only the skin we are going to use. And just do it like this. Remove the skin and segregate the meaty one, and later on we will use it as apple smoothie. It's very simple, it's very easy to make, and nothing will be wasted, because we will use also the core of the apples. Actually, apple cider vinegar is very helpful to our health. It's very useful and very effective in melting our bad cholesterol. We can use it in our daily food. We can take also with the water, to drink it even once a day only. So friends, we need a glass jar. So don't use plastic because it will change the taste later on. We need glass jar only. If you have earthly pot or clay pot, that one will be also okay. I am going to put first 2 pieces of sugarcane molasses. It is around 2 teaspoons. So we have 4 equivalent of 4 teaspoons of brown sugar or grind sugarcane molasses. Now we are going to put all the things inside, the skin, the peelings, and even the core of the apples. Just push it inside like this. It's very easy. So 3 apples are really exactly to this jar, and then we will put now the last 2 pieces of sugarcane molasses and put water. Actually, this is distilled water. Just fill it up until all are covered. So exactly, use plastic ladle or spoon, not the stainless one, because it will give bad interaction with the solution later on. So we need to push it down like this. And friends, after 2 weeks, you will have homemade, very organic apple cider vinegar. So I'm using this because actually after maybe 2 days, and then bubbles will start to create, and it will overflow like that because of the process of fermentation. So just give a little bit of air, and friends, after 2 days we need to stir it, and then another 2 days stir it until 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, actually it will be changed in color. So friends, I already prepared apple cider vinegar. This bigger glass, it's aging about 3 weeks. And this one is 2 weeks. And this one is ready to be taken up. This is apple cider vinegar, or what we call Sirka. And the other one is not yet ready. But if you are taking in, let's say, wine, sweet wine, you can also strain it and take it in a moderate way. Apple cider vinegar has many health benefits. One is to lower blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar is claimed to help people with diabetes manage their blood sugar levels. And another good news is that it is very helpful to make you feel full. So it has the ability to maintain our weight, or it is also recommended as a weight loss aid. It has the ability to preserve food. Just like other types of vinegar, apple cider vinegar is an effective preservative. It works by making the food more acidic, which deactivates the enzymes and kills any bacteria that may cause spoilage. Another benefit of apple cider vinegar is serve as deodorizer. It is also very useful when we make our salad. So we just sprinkle apple cider vinegar to make a simple salad dressing. Another benefit is to make an all-purpose cleaner. Apple cider vinegar is often a popular choice for a natural alternative to commercial cleaning agents. Just mix 1 cup of water with half cup of apple cider vinegar, and you will have a natural all-purpose cleaner. If you have sore throat, you can gargle with apple cider vinegar. Just dilute with water. Gargling with apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy for sore throats. And this is for ladies. It is very effective for facial toner. Many people like to use apple cider vinegar to make a skin tonic. Just add 1 part of apple cider vinegar to 2 parts of water. You can then apply this to your skin using a cotton pad. Another use of apple cider vinegar, it is very helpful in boiling eggs in a better way. Adding vinegar to the water you use to boil or poach eggs can help you produce consistently good eggs. Another way to use apple vinegar when cooking is to make a marinade. In fact, apple cider vinegar is a popular ingredient in many steak marinades. Pesticides residue on fruits and vegetables can be a concern for many people. That's why I am using apple cider vinegar diluted with water in washing our fruits and vegetables. These are the benefits of apple cider vinegar, and I hope that you can also make your homemade apple cider vinegar since it is very easy, very quick to make. Thank you friends for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe our channel and share also to your family, friends, and relatives. Good luck, good health. God bless us all. Thank you.